What's up guys, and welcome to another install. You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and on this episode we are installing air suspension to a brand spanking new Ford Ranger.
Now this Ranger will be towing a caravan, and the weight of the caravan on the tow ball will push the rear end down, causing spring sag. This will result in loss of travel and bottoming out.
These airbags will solve that spring sag problem and level the vehicle simply by inflating the airbag. Everything you need to install your bolt-in Airbag Man suspension comes in the kit. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure you read through your vehicle-specific installation instructions thoroughly. To access your instructions, simply scan your QR code on the box, enter and search your part number, download your instructions, and away you go. Easy as that. This kit's got a recommended fitment time of 2 hours, but we will be installing it in 2 to 3 minutes just for you. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met.
Now that the bump stops are removed, we can go ahead and install our upper adapter plate. Once that's installed, we'll remove our lower spring plate and install the airbag assembly. For vehicles with mechanical handbrake, you'll get these 2 little tabs to relocate the handbrake cable. Follow your instructions for the installation.
When installing the airline, it is important to route away from any sharp edges and heat, securing along existing factory lines with cable ties towards the back of the vehicle where you have mounted the inflation valves. When cutting the tubing, only use a sharp Stanley knife or an Airbag Man tube cutter for a clean cut every time. Now that everything is in place and leak tested, it is time to refer to the last page of your installation instructions for important airbag operating heights. This page also includes maximum pressure reference, which reflects your vehicle's load capacity. Now you can enjoy leveling control and many other benefits with your Airbag Man suspension. If you want to go that one step further with adjusting your airbags and inflating your tyres, we have a massive range of onboard air supply systems available, from switches, wireless controllers, and auto leveling, just to name a few. So make sure you jump on our website and build your tailor-made onboard air system today. That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you tune in next time, and remember, bag it with the best.